In this video we are going to look at the photo sketching functionality. In the project properties, go to the Mergin Maps tab and then scroll all the way down. There you'll find a section on photo sketching. Make sure the setting is checked and click OK. Now let's have a look at this feature in the mobile app. I tap a point, I tap Edit, and there on the photo I see the photo sketching icon. When I tap it, I can choose from different colors at the bottom of the screen. I choose a color and then I can start sketching with my finger. I can use several different colors on one sketch. When I make a mistake, I can use the undo button. And I can save the results and synchronize it with the server. Back in QGIS, I synchronize the project with the cloud. There I see that the picture has been edited. Let's have a look at the point that we've edited. I use the Identify tool and I click on the point. And there I switch to Form View to see the result. And here I see the picture with my edits. So in this video you've learned how to use the photo sketching feature of Mergin Maps.